In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating a tubectomy sterilization method. For this, let me understand in which way the tubectomy is executed. In this picture, we can see the fallopian tube is dissected. That means cauterized, tied and cut and banded or clipped. So we are avoiding the pregnancy with this particular surgical procedure. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer after ignoring option B, C and D. Why? Because the option B, C and D is not exactly satisfying the sterilization method limit of tubectomy. So we are choosing option A as the correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving as a recap to take the NEET notes. For future reference, a tubectomy, sometimes known as tubal sterilization, is a surgical operation performed on female patient as a long-term form of contraception. By blocking fallopian tube, this procedure stops egg or ova from making their way from the ovary to the uterus. This prevents any future pregnancy to occur after surgical procedure. With this specification, we are choosing option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.